officially on the 2nd of August. 2nd of August. All right. Can I name it Lucy? Okay, I'm going to turn off the messages. Okay, later you'll be able to message again. Don't worry, later lah. Okay, so today we are going to learn about division of money. Division of money, as you did multiplication before last week. So division is one of the topic, one of the basic operation that will be involved in money too. Okay, so dalam money ni akan ada semua 4 basic operations, and you have to make sure that you know, you learn, and you understand everything that came from the topic. Okay, Akila just came. Okay, thank you Akila for coming. All right, so I will present the screen first. All right, can you see the slide? Boleh tak?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, thank you. Okay, so
Division of money. Google Meet class with Cikgu Zulhimi.
Oh yes, is it Sulaiman?
Yes.
Yes, thank you Sulaiman for reading that.
So animated.
Okay, all right. Turn off your microphone, please. Okay, so today we are going to continue on division of money. Okay, what?
Teacher,
Yes.
can I do my other work first?
What work? What work?
Division of money.
Okay. All right. So for this topic,
Class with Cikgu Zulhimi.
yes. Okay, thank you. For division of money, you will learn the same thing that you have learned. You will learn the same thing as you learned before the division topic. However, there will be some differences, which is they will involve the apa nama tu, decimal points. Decimal points tu yang cent tu lah. So you have to be careful with that. And also there will be some converting unit. So you have to convert in between cent and ringgit as you learn before this. Macam sama je macam darab dengan tambah tolak tu. Division ni sama juga, akan ada changes of unit, cent and RM je. So you have to know, and you have to make sure that you understand everything. If you don't understand, make sure ask me. Okay, directly ask me as fast as you can before you left behind, you get left behind too much, too far. Alright, so don't worry, macam cikgu cakap, as what I said, okay, it is the same division as you remembered. If you remembered lah, same all long division, same all long division ni, as you remembered, long division ni the standard written method, how you calculate division sama je, macam long division yang kita belajar before this. However, there will be units, ada unit je, ada RM means ringgit lah, and cent. Kalau ada both of them, itu dia dalam topik ni akan involve that. So make sure to remember. Kalau tak ingat,
Why did you write XD?
Why
Why did you write XD?
Oh, XD. Bukan smiling face dia tu.
I know. Why did you write that?
Allah, tak boleh ke? Takkan nak kena padam. Allah.
You look sideways and then you see both of them close and then got a big
Closing
smile.
eyes and then a deep smile. Okay. Okay, so before we learn, yes, thank you. Okay, before we start our division of money, let's do some warming up first. Okay, assuming that you still got that division in yours. So you have to make sure that you know division, basic division. So I'm going to give you activity, activity from the quiz that from the topic of standard 2 punya division. So standard 2 punya division, make sure you know this. If you can do this
Actually,
correctly.
When I went into standard 2, I didn't really join on the
Oh.
later ones after the quarantine. I've only
Okay.
been doing my parents'
Oh, okay. Don't worry. It's just a simple division. Simple division. Simple numbers. Don't worry. Small numbers here. Okay. If you can do, it's okay. If you cannot do, don't worry. Kita learn this, we learn this already. Division ni, we learn this earlier of the year. So I did, I did teach you this, all the long division techniques, all the methods, all the calculation. I learned that. You learn that. I teach you. I already teach you that. So make sure to remember them. Okay. So the simple division ni means you have to remember all the apa nama tu? Times table lah. Times table lah. Multiplication table. Okay. So let's see. Muka makcik ni jap. I'm going to share the link.
Why you pin me?
Saja. Semua rindu Zulaika kan. Hello, off. Menda. Don't off. Don't turn off your camera. Okay, as you can see now the link from the quiz. Okay, I put the link already. Can you see the link? Can everyone see the link? Okay, try to get in. Try to join the link right now. Okay, you can see those names who already joined the quiz. 8. Hurry up. We don't want to waste time. Can I put my nickname? Don't worry, you can do as you like. You can put any name you like. Don't worry.
Teacher, this goes to Talk Gadget, not Quizzes.
Again, Irina, pardon? Sorry?
When I press the link, it just goes to Talk Gadget, not Quizzes.
Teacher, am I there?
Oh, why? I thought that. Are you using your phone?
Your desk.
Tanya, you are here. You're in. Okay, so 18. Okay, we shall start right now. Irina, if you cannot join, don't worry. Later, I will give another link. Okay, for your for your revision lah. Okay, so we have 19 out of 21. 19 ada 2 lah yang tak sempat join.
23, not 21.
23? Oh, dah just 23. 22 lah. Okay. Right now, let's start our quiz right now. Thanks. Okay, do now. Careful, read the question properly. Make sure to read them thoroughly. Simple division je. Kalau tak reti guna ni, guna jari pun boleh. Kalau tak reti guna multiplication table, senang je. InsyaAllah semua boleh buat. Don't worry if you got wrong answers, but try to answer them all correctly. Try to answer correctly lah. Take your time. I give you 5 minutes.
2 of them they got 2 6.
Tukarlah lagu. Cik lagu ni je. Winter. Baru semangat ni. Boys ke lagu macam ni kan? I can see Sulaiman is taking the lead. Yusuf second. Zulaika just passing Vanessa's mark. Lakshiva, try more. Wow, Vanessa just cut Zulaika. Okay, go Lakshiva. Climb up. Nafis, good. Wow, Vanessa just potong Nafis again. Sulaiman still conquering the first place. Don't worry. It's just a simple division. Simple division je. Try to do as correct as you can. Try to answer them. Finish, Sulaiman? Amelia Syahira, you have problem? Maybe your internet connection ke? Okay, for those who cannot participate in the quiz, tak boleh join internet connection slow ke? Don't worry, nanti later tomorrow I give you some, I give you the link. I give you this link, and then you can do then for your revision. Simple, ni standard 2 punya, not standard 3. Small numbers. Okay, we have 82 accuracy. Okay lah tu. 82A ya. Jangan salah. Try to answer them correctly. Focus on the question. Remember that you learned this already. You just apply the same method as the teacher teach you before.
Teacher, I'm done.
Karen. Good, thank you. For those who done.
Teacher, I done also.
Okay, good. For those who have finished this, already finished, congratulations for getting full marks. Okay, good Natalie, Akila. Ira, Adelia, Aaron. Ihsan ada. Susah ke? Senang kan? Simple number. Simple multiplication je.
Teacher, done.
Okay, I think that's all lah. Okay, I'm gonna
the quiz.
I'm gonna put it in.
Teacher.
Yes.
One of the questions,
Again?
they actually do it 2, 6, and then cannot. And then
2, 6?
got 2, 6 on one question.
2 question number 6. Oh what?
Yes. 2 question with
6, 7, 8, 9.
2, 6.
How come? Never mind. For those who cannot.
Tanya Sulaiman dapat emas.
Okay. Your
I thought I
quiz
read them
is
correct.
going to end in. Okay. Sorry for those who cannot finish
Sulaiman dapat
the
emas.
question. Don't worry. Later you will have another time. You will have the chance again tomorrow maybe. Okay. Congratulations for those. Class accuracy we have 65. 65 out of 100. Those who have mastered, congratulations. Yang belum, don't worry, you still have time. Sekarang ni masih awal lagi. Mungkin kamu lupa those method, all the methods to do multiplication division. Don't worry. Okay. So we are going to start.
Can we do another one, please?
What again?
Can we do another one?
Later lah. Okay, Zulaika. Okay, thank you. Okay, turn on
Teacher,
your mic. Okay, we'll start the lesson. Alright. So, for this lesson, okay. So this is how you do division of money. Okay. So I will going to explain to you how to do division of money, how to solve the question regarding atau involving the division in money topic. Okay, thank you. Can you please turn off your microphone? Tak pasti siapa tu. Those who are turning. Okay, I can still hear somebody's mic. Okay, so please pay attention as you might recall or relate the lesson with your previous lesson. Okay. Apa tu bunyi? Is it Yasmina? No. I cannot find someone. Please turn off your microphone for those who
Teacher,
haven't.
Natalie's one is on. Natalie's one.
Oh, Natalie. Okay, Natalie, can you turn off your mic?
Oh, sorry, I did not know it was on.
Don't worry. It's okay. Thank you. Okay, so make sure. All right. Because I don't want anyone to interrupt my lesson, so you can focus and pay attention for these topics. Okay, look at these examples. Okay, I'm giving you the examples directly. Examples je, tak payah nak terang dah. Okay, I'm going to put some examples. Okay, this is all the examples that you can get from your textbook. However, I paste it here, I put it here, so you can see clearer lah. Nanti cikgu nak explain senang lagi. Okay, how much money does each person get? Alright, for this. Okay, the question is easy. Those two participate in innovative designing competition. So they are the representative from their school. Okay, so they both of them got the first place and they have 500 ringgit as the winning prize. Anyone just entered or what? Oh, 27 dah. Good. Thank you for those who are just participating. Congratulations for coming to the class. Okay, turn off your microphone, please. Okay. All right. Thanks. Okay. So this is the panggil apa? Introduction lah. This is how you see money. How do you separate money? How do you
Page what, teacher?
page what? Don't worry, no need to use your textbook. You just pay attention in my class. Tak apa. Tengok je lesson cikgu ni. Tengok je slide cikgu ni. Except for those who are having low connection internet, you can refer to your textbook. Cikgu pun tak pasti. Carilah nanti dalam money topics part 2 textbook. Money, division of money ada ni. Okay. Yang internet connection slow tu tak apalah, guna textbook. Kalau you are having a good connection, just pay attention at my lesson. Okay, so how much money does each person get? 500 separated into 2. You have to separate this money into 2. You have to split the money into 2 because you have 2 participants.
I know the answer.
Okay, yes, you know the answer. It's very easy. It's just for you to understand how do we relate division with money. Okay, so you have to split the money fairly lah. So each one will get the same amount, fair and square. All right, so 500 you have to divide with 2. How? Okay, in diagram you can see you have all the monies. Okay, ni money yang kamu dapat. Okay, 4 100 ringgit notes and 2 50 ringgit notes. Maksudnya 50 tu 100 lah. So you have 500 right now. So you have to give fairly, you give each person 1 pieces 100 ringgit. So this girl Zulaika will have 2 100 ringgit note. Betul tak? And Ihsan here also will have 2 100 ringgit note. 2 100 ringgit note. Betul tak? 2, nampak tak arrow color, line color blue? Okay, turn off your microphone. I'm explaining now. Okay, so Zulaika don't worry, it's not you. It's just your name, not you. Ada ke muka kamu macam ni? You're wearing glasses kan? Okay, so for this girl, Zulaika lain ni, bukan Zulaika kelas kita. Zulaika ni good ni, innovative designing competition kot. Okay, sorry Zulaika. Okay, so Zulaika ni contoh So Zulaika got 2 pieces of 100 ringgit notes. And Ihsan got 2 also. Maksudnya both of them having 2 pieces of 100 ringgit. Maksudnya ada 200. Each one are getting 200. Okay, then they will be 250 ringgit. So give one to Zulaikha and give one to Ihsan. Ihsan tadi kan? Ihsan. Okay. So Ihsan will have 150 ringgit. Zulaikha also will have 150 ringgit. So if you add all the money, 100 plus 100, 200 plus another 50, 250. Each of them will have 250 ringgit. And if you do the calculation, this is how the long division going to be. It's going to be. Okay, turn off your microphone. Thank you. All right. Okay, so 500 ringgit. You write down the 500 ringgit first. Okay. Later I will explain this. I will do the calculation with you. Okay, I will explain this hand on. Cikgu akan tunjuk. So now you go and see first. Okay, I will explain this. Okay, 500 ringgit. Draw the line. Division line tu. And then divide by 2. Letak 2 dekat luar garisan tu. Kamu boleh nampak kan? Okay, 2 ni dekat sini. And then start from letak RM tu by putting RM on top in the answers section. Letak RM juga dekat answer tu. Nanti kamu lupa. Okay, turn off my microphone. Kenapa suka on? Okay, RM tu letak kat atas siap-siap. Initially letak siap-siap, letak first kali, letak dulu RM tu dekat atas sebelum kamu selesaikan. Once you finish with the question, standard written long division punya ni, okay, you have to put RM and then you start with 5. Oh, sorry. Who's that? Siapa? Is it Karina? Ada masalah ke? Tak ada dah. Sulaiman, are you asking me anything? Hello, Sulaiman? Tak ada. Oh. Okay. And then 500. Remember, in division you have to count one by one separately, starting from the first digit. Dia bukan macam darab, bahagi, addition, subtraction, multiplication. You have to start from ones place value. Yang ni kamu kena start from the first number. Okay, from depan sekali lah. From the front number, from the front digit, which is 5. So you divide 5 with 4. 5 with 2. 5, remember, in multiple of 2, there is no 5, but the nearest smaller number is 4. So you put down 4 under 5 2, and then what number? 4 2 is the second number. Second lah. 2 times 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 4. So the second number is 2. So letak jawapan dia dekat atas, 2 tu kat atas. So you minus 5 minus 4, remember? Still remember kan? 5 minus 4, you will have 1. And then you bring down 0. Next number 5 tu is 0. So you bring down 0. Jangan letak dua-dua, 1 by 1. So you put down 0. Then 1 will become 10. So you divide 10 with 2, you will have 5. So 5 2, you will see that 5. Okay, remember 5. 5 pula. 5 tu letak atas. Kenapa ada suara? Zulaikha. Bukan cikgu penendang kamu kan? Kick out. Kick you out. Nah. Last warning Zulaikha and all of you. Siapa yang microphone nanti cikgu off kan. Bukan off microphone je. Cikgu letak kamu. I will put you aside. Nanti tak boleh join dah kelas. Alright. Listen. Okay, start from 50 tadi. 50 lah, 10 tadi. So you will have 10 again. Please. I'm serious right now. I'm getting serious now. Nak kelas nak habis ni. 11:10 lah. 11 o'clock already. Okay, 10. You put 10. You go find 10 with, you divide 10 with 2. You will have 5. So you put 5 on top. And then you minus with 10. Letak 10 dekat bawah. Then you will have 0. 0, you bring down 0. 0, 0, 0. Potong-potong jadi 0. So you bring up 0. You bring down 0. So you have 250. Remember, if you don't remember this kind of method, you don't remember you cannot remember your multiplication table ke, times table ke. Remember to start your your division with the multiplication table. Macam mana nak buat? Buat multiple of 2. Buat multiple of 2. Buat sampai berapa cikgu ajar? Sampai 5 je dulu. Okay? Startingnya letak 5 dulu. 0 until 5. Nanti cikgu will explain. So you will have easier method, easier way to do multiplication. Later I will explain. Ni simple dulu. Okay? Next, this is how you write down the answer, which is 500 divided by 2 equals to 250 ringgit. So each person will get 250 ringgit. That's all. Okay. So, second example. Second example, yang ni pun no need to do, takkan tak ingat CP10 je kan. Tadi pun cikgu tak nak explain sebab this is multiple of 2. Multiple of 2 sangat easy. As I assume that most of you already remember lah, already memorize all the multiple of 2 punya times table. Takkan tak ingat multiple of 2. Senang je. Multiple of 10 pun takkan tak ingat multiple of 10. So macam ni juga method, the same method, RM730 divided by 10. So you put down RM730 tu, draw line, put 10 aside, letak kat tepi tu, and then you start from, ingat 10 tu ada 2 digits. Hello. Turn off your microphone. Okay, 10 ada 2 digits. So make sure to start with 2 digits lah. Kalau tak nak 2 digits pun letak 0 sama je atas tu 0, 0, 0 doesn't counted. Okay. So 7 to 70. 70. So bring minus 73 minus 70 will have the 3. So bring down 0, you will have 30. 30 minus 30 you will have 3. Okay. 30 tu divide by 10 is 3. So we put 3 on top, 30 bawah dia, below. So you will have 73 ringgit. Okay. Ada lagi siapa pula? Hero. Kalau ada soalan, you just ask me. No need to turn on your microphone and then do nothing. Kalau nak tanya, tanya je. Don't worry. Tanya terus. Okay.
Can I write this in my activity book? Activity book.
No need. Okay, no need. Don't worry. I will pass these notes to you later. So you will have this note. Kalau nak salin juga, salin lah. Tapi cikgu tak galakkan because I need you to focus in my lesson. My lesson. Okay. Second. Dah. Third. Okay. Third example. Third example, 10,000 divided by 100. Okay. 10,000 divided by 100. Sama juga. No need to memorize this. 100. Sifir 100. Multiple of 100. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 sampai 10,000. 1,000. 10,000 pula. Sampai 1,000. Tu je. Tak payah nak ingat sangat. Yang ni senang sangat. Okay. So you just do long division. Just like this method. Sama je. So 100 is the 10. Kalau nak letak 0, 0, 0 dulu pun tak apa. Maksud cikgu nanti cikgu explain lah. Nanti cikgu explain. Okay. Okay. Cikgu explain sekarang lah. Takut tadi tak sempat. Okay. For example tadi 10,000 kan.
I salin this one?
Yes, you may if you want to. Alright. Tadi kita dapat soalan dia RM 10,000 divide by 10. 10 pula 100. Okay, how do you get the answer? Okay, so first copy down dulu RM 10,000 tu, and then draw the multiplication line, long division 100. Okay, so you remember this 100, 200, 300, multiple of 10, 100. Multiple of 100 macam ni lah buat je. Kalau tak tahu sini atas ni 0 lah. Start from 0. So 0 plus 100, 100. 100 plus 100, 200. Okay. Explain senang. Okay, then kenapa kita mula 100 tu terus? Okay. So this is 100. Berapa digit ni? 1, 2, 3 digit. So start from 3 digit lah 100. So you bring down 100. Because we have 100 here. Highlight sikit. You have 100 here. Okay. Macam cikgu ajar. buat garisan tu ingat kan? Ingat ni 1, 2, 3, ni 0 atas. Atas tu sifil lah. 100. Ni 100. Tak payahlah lukis ni, tak payah. Okay, so 100 atas. Okay, so 4, 5. So 100, listen. Jangan on microphone. 100 minus. So 100 ni 1, the first one. Jangan letak sini. Wrong. Remember, ada 3 digit. Start from digit yang last kali 3 digits tu. Okay. Lupa pula. First kali letak RM dulu. Before you start anything, after you have RM here, you put RM on top. So you will have answer, RM2 as the answer. Okay, so you won't get, lupa lah. You forgot to put RM, then you won't get mark. 100, bring down 100. So you will have 100, you minus 100 will have 0. Okay, so bring down lah 0. Draw arrow kalau tak nak, kalau lupa. 0, kan ada 0, 0, 0 lah. 0, 0 lah, minus 0, 0 lagi. Bring down 0. 0 ni boleh jadi dot. Kalau tak nak, padam sikit. Buat dot. Cikgu ajar. Tak lupa. Okay, 0. So bring down 0, letak 0. Put 0 here. Okay, you can see 0 pun 0 juga. Bring down 0, bring up 0, bring down 0. 0 is 0. So letak dot lah. 0, 0, dot. Anything you have 0 mark, 0 answer, you put 0. You put dot. So your answer should be 100. Betul ke 100? Betul. Takut salah. So your answer should be 100 ringgit. Jangan lupa RM. Color sikit. Bagi highlight sikit. Color lain lah. Cikgu takut lupa. Cikgu takut kamu lupa highlight sikit. Mesti letak RM, ringgit Malaysia. Sebab sekarang ni unit je, we are learning the money kan. So money topik kena ada RM lah. Kalau tak ada RM, baik kita belajar yang lama balik. Percentage pula. Kita belajar multiplication yang lama. Okay, sekarang what is the price of a mango? 8 ringgit divide by 5. 8 minus 8 divide by 5 mana? Boleh kan? Logik tak? Tak logik. So there are two methods, which is you have to change this, convert this into sen. RM 8 ringgit, convert into sen. Maksudnya you will have 800 sen. Hello. Ada suara tu, ada mikrofon on tu. Okay, 800 sen. You convert. First method, you can do like this. First method, tengok method number 1 tu, 800 sen. Okay, kita cuba 800 sen divide by 5. 800 sen divide by 5. Apa ada suara tu. Okay, jadi jawab soalan dia RM8 divide RM8 pula. 8 ringgit divide by 5. Okay, nampak macam impossible kan, macam ada balance, ada remainder kan. No, tak ada remainder. Ini ada decimal places. Okay, so decimal places tak ada remainder Okay, 8 ringgit divide by 5. Macam you will have remainder? No, there will be no remainder. So you just continue. First method. Okay, first method. You can transfer. You convert this RM 8 change into sen. Berapa? Dia 800 sen. Okay, so 800 sen tu buatlah untuk lazim dia. 800 sen. 800 sen. So divide by 5. Okay, divide by 5. Buatlah sifir 5. Sifir 5 kalau tak ingat. Ya Allah, suara siapa lah tu. Cikgu tak larat lah macam ni. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So start from 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that Zulaika? Bukan. Apa tu? Tak larat. Tak nampak lah. Okay, tak apalah. Okay. 5. 0 plus 5, 5. 10, 15, 20, 25. Okay. Buat sampai 25. Sampai 5 je dulu. Okay. Start from 0 until 5. Okay, then start looking at the first digit, which is 8. So you take 8, find here 8. You see 8 over here on the answer segment, answer section ni. There's no 8 in multiple of 5. So tak ada kan. So you have to find the nearest smaller number, which is yang mana paling dekat dengan 8. In between 5 dengan 10. Paling dekat dia 5 dengan 10 lah kan. So in between 5 dengan 10 ni, which one is the smaller? Which one is smaller? Which one is smaller? Which is 5 lah. So you have to take 5. So you take 5. Bukan take 5 rehat. Take 5. Take number 5. Bring 5 here. And then put 1 on top. Kenapa? Because 5 is the first. Alright. So 8 minus 5 equals to 3. So you bring down 0. Next to 3, you will have 30. Can you find 30? Oh no, until 25 only. So you won't get 30 from here. So you plus another 1 lah. Letak lagi number 6. So you will have 30 here. 30. Try lah. Kalau tak dapat, buat lagi. And then you will have 30. Directly you can find 30 here. Highlight sikit lah. So 30 tu yang ke? Yang ke-6 Okay, so you minus 30 equals to 0. Put dot there. Okay, so 0 here, bring down 0. Gladly. Dah tutup pun. Okay, so bring down. Dah nampak dah 0 tu kat mana? 0 kat sini kan? Tak kena highlight juga. Highlight lah. Yang pula. Highlight tu macam tu. Highlight sikit. Bunyi lagi. So 0, 0. Tak apalah. Maybe my internet connection kot bunyi tu. So send 160 sen. 160 sen tu macam mana nak tukar dia? 160 sen. Change 160 sen into sen into RM. Boleh tak? Who knows? Okay, nak jadikan RM. Macam mana? Siapa boleh bagi tahu jawapan? 160 sen change into RM. Berapa jadinya? Who can change this? Yasmina? You want to ask anything?
16 ringgit.
16 ringgit. Oh no, sorry. It's not correct. Sorry.
1 ringgit 60 cents.
Yes, 1 ringgit and 60 sen. Good. Okay. Remember, 1 ringgit equals to 100 sen. Kalau 160, maksudnya 1 ringgit, ini 1 ringgit. Okay, so RM1. 60 sen tu, letaklah dot, letaklah 60. Kan dah siap, 160. So your answer should be RM 160. Okay, understand, faham. Yang ni first method. I will teach you another method. Second method. Dalam buku ada, boleh refer. Kalau tak nak, tengok sini. Okay, yang ni no need to apa namanya, tukar unit. No need to convert the unit. So you have to start from RM8 divide by 5. Tulis je. RM8 divide by 5. Okay. Simple as that. RM8 divide by 5. Macam tadi kita dah tengok sini kan. Kita tengok sini je. Kita tengok je sifir sini ni. Okay, kita refer kat sini je. Okay, so RM8. RM8 divide by 5. Remember, kalau soalan macam ni, you put dot 0, 0. Kan? Ini RM8 juga kan? As long as the cent is 0, it's still counted as RM8. So, you just put another 0.0 tu as the cent place value dia sini. So, you already change this into cent. Okay, ringgit and cent. And then, macam 800 juga, sama je. 800 sen, 800 ringgit, sama je. 800 ringgit, 8 ringgit, sama je. Cuma letak decimal places je. Okay, so letak RM dulu kat atas, jangan lupa. Makin banyak ni. Okay, then 8. Sama macam tadi, 1, 5, 1, okay, 3. So, kat sini ada dot. Letakkan dot kat atas juga. Kan 1 ni letak dot. Ada dot kan? Letak dot kat atas. Decimal point tu dot, send dot tu letak sini. So, jangan nak turun bawah pula. No need to bring down. Bring down 0 je. 0 je bring down. Dot tak payah bring down. Dot naikkan ke atas. So, 30. So, 30 tu 6 kan? The 6 answer. So, 0. 30 minus 30 is 0. So, bring down 0. Okay. So, answer. So your answer should be 160. Apa serut 1 cikgu? 160. Sama kan? Senang je. Ni jawapan ni method number 2. Okay, second method. Faham Hopefully semua faham lah. Cikgu tak nak explain banyak-banyak nanti wasting time. Okay. So, jawapannya 160 ringgit pula. 1 ringgit and 60 sen. So 160 sen tu kita change into ringgit, jadi 1 ringgit and 60 sen. Okay, calculate the price of a remote control car. Yang ni dah ada sen dia. Dah ada sen. Okay. Question macam ni, jangan risau. Okay, jangan risau. Jangan don't be don't be nervous. Nervous pula lah. Jangan risau. This is not a hard question. You just copy down exactly the same number. Kan? Copy down je RM1,008.40 tu dekat jawapan. Dekat jawapan. Dekat jawapan kamu lah. Your answer. Okay. Kita salin dulu. Question number apa tadi? 5.
Cikgu,
Yes, saya. Why?
what time is it now?
It's 11:19, 11:20 lah. We have another 10 minutes je.
Okay.
So I need to do this as fast as we can. Okay, so the question is RM1,000. Sorry, turn off your microphone please. And 40 cents.
Kejuaraan dunia remaja. Dan kali ini
Okay.
dia terkandas.
Hello.
Di percubaan attempt yang kedua.
Again Zulaikha.
I didn't know my mic was on at that time.
Yes. Okay. RM1,008.40 divided by 8. Okay. We need to do this as fast as we can. Alright. So you copy down. Jangan risau. Don't worry. Don't be panic with this question. So you just bring down here. Copy down the answer. The question. RM1,008.40. Okay. Draw the line. Straight. 8. So buat apa? Kita buatlah sifir 8 tu. The legendary multiple of 8 times table tu. 1, 2, 3, 4. So ada 8. Start from 0. Ingat. Kalau my method, always start from 0. For division ke, for multiplication ke, start from 0. Why? Nanti banyak kegunaan dia 0 tu. Kamu kadang-kadang tak tahu pun 0 tu nak letak mana. Kita ambil 0 dulu. Kita letak 0. Okay. So start from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 8, ingat sifir 8 tak payahlah cikgu nak ni. Cikgu buat terus. 8, 16, 16, 24. Apa? 24. 32, 40. Okay, so cikgu dah letak sekarang. Cikgu buat sekarang senang-senang. Tak payah nak tulang. Nanti kamu belajar baliklah sifir tu kalau lupa. Okay, so you start from first digit. Kalau tak ingat, start from first digit pun boleh. So, ingat letak RM dulu kat atas. First digit je 1. Ada tak 1 dalam sini? Tengok kat belah kanan. On your right side. Jangan tengok kat belah kiri. Memanglah ada 1. Tapi ini bukan jawapan. Ini bukan jawapan. Ini bukan the one that we are looking now. Okay. 1 tu dekat mana? 1 tu in between 0 and 8 here. Okay. Highlight sikit. 1 tu is in between 0 and 8. So 0 and 8. We have to find the smaller nearest number. Which is 0 lah. Smaller than 1 is 0. Bukan 8. 8 tu lagi besar. Macam mana kita nak tolak? So, we take 0. Kalau tak ingat. Ini method senang. Cikgu ajar senang dulu. Cikgu ajar 0. 0 here. So, you minus 0. 1 minus 0 equals to 1. So, you bring down 0 jadi 10. So, 10 ada tak sini? Tak ada juga. 10 is sitting in between 8 and 16. So, you have to take 8. Sebab 8 is smaller than 10. So you put 8 here, you bring down 8. 1 tu letak ke atas. 1 tu. So ni jawapan lah. On the left side tu semua jawapan dia. Okay, so you minus 10 minus 8 equals to 2. You bring down 0, which you will have 20. Okay, for 20, you can see here, there will be no 20. But you will get 16 as the nearest smaller number. So you take 16 here. 16 16 cikgu highlight tu. Okay, so 16 you bring down 16. 16 tu yang second. So you put 2 here. So you minus. Which you will have 4 as the answer. A. Naikkan sikit. Alright. So 4 bring down 8. Okay, see here we only have 40 up until 40. Jangan panic. Kalau macam ni, ingat sambung. You will have 48. Jangan panic. So you will have 48. Bring down 48. Yang mana 48 tu? Yang 6. 6 number. So you put 6 here. Okay, minus. So you will have dot tu maksudnya 0 lah. So 8 minus 8, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. So you will have 0. However, you still have decimal places here. Okay, you can see that decimal point here. Okay, cikgu besarkan sikit decimal point tu. So you bring the decimal point up here. Copy down je. Jangan letak bawah. Tak payah turunkan here. Tak payah. So no need to bring down. You put up on top as the answer. So you bring down 40 pula 4. Okay, you bring down 4 means 4 tu jangan turunkan 40 40 that's not a correct method. So you bring down 4 dulu. So you can find can you find 4? No, there's no 4. 4 is sitting in between 0 and 8. So you will have 0 because 0 is smaller than 4. So you bring down 4, bring down 0. Panjang. Ingat multiplication and division very long. That's why we call long division. So you minus 40 minus 0 equals to 4. Then you will have another 0 here. Bring down the 0 next to 4. You become 40. So you will see 40 here. So you put 40. Okay, 40 tu yang mana? 40 tu yang ke 5. The fifth answer. So 40 minus 40 equals to 0. Put dot lah. And then you will have answer 1. Okay, 0 ni no need to use. No need to use because 0, if it happened to be in front, no need to take it. So your answer should be 126 ringgit and 5 sen. 5 sen, bukan 0.5 sen. Ini bukan decimal point. Ini adalah 5 sen unit. So 126 ringgit 5 sen. Macam tu cara baca dia. Okay. Dia macam yang ni dia tak macam decimal point. Kalau for example 12625, dia bukannya RM 126. Okay, 126 ringgit 0.25. That's not how you read money. It should be 126 ringgit 25 sen. It's different with the decimal. Decimal you will read this as 25 separately. Tapi bukan, ini bukan decimal. Ini adalah money. Unit tu adalah sen. So you will have to read this as 5 sen. Bukan 50 sen. Salah nanti. Jangan salah salin pula. 50 pula. 5 sen. So 5 sen tu as the answer. You have to put this. You have to write down this as the answer. This is your answer. 126 ringgit 5 sen. Okay. So 126 ringgit 5 sen. So jadi jawapan dia. Alright. Yang ni cikgu tak nak explain. Sama je method dia. You bring down 0, 10 dengan 1000. 10 dengan 1000, I don't think this is going to be a problem for you because 10 and 1000 tu multiple of 10, multiple of 1000 is very easy. You can do this on your own. Okay. Hopefully you can do this on your own. If you can't, you can ask me anything. You can put, you can chat with me in the Google Classroom nanti. So tomorrow I will give you. If you don't know, you ask me. Don't worry. Okay, I will try to answer this your inquiry. Your question lah means. So this one 9,020. 9,020 ringgit 50 sen divide by 10, you will have this long division. Memang panjang. Memang panjang. That is why it's called long division. Panjang. So it will it will take a lot of space in your book. But in order to get the answer correct, you have to sacrifice your book, sacrifice your space. You will have to do this method. So be careful. do not do this. Do this. Maksud cikgu do this correctly lah. Use the method I teach one by one. Don't skip any. Mesti satu nombor. Tengok, you can see the arrow. The number is bring down to, yang kamu bring down to, your number is brought one by one. The number is put one by one. So you have to put the number one by one. Bring down the number one by one, separatedly, one. Okay, so you will have the answer correct. If you don't do this, if you don't do this method, do the same calculation, it's not that you won't get the answer correct, but your tendency, your chance to get the wrong answer is high lah. And you won't get any marks in exam if you don't do the calculation. Remember, the calculation is very important. So number 6, number 7 is very easy actually. Okay, and your answer also must be very simple. 9,020 ringgit 50 cent divide by 10. Your answer should be 902 ringgit and 5 cent. Same goes to number 7, 3,650 ringgit divide by 1,000. Okay, letak apa nama tu? Kalau soalan macam ni, letaklah cent unit tu, letaklah dot 00 tu dekat belakang dia. Macam soalan kita buat ni. So you won't get remainder. Ingat, dalam money there won't be remainder. Remainder. Tapi kalau kamu beli barang, if you buy something, you give a bit money, then you will get remainder. Yang tu remainder lah, baki duit. Yang ni baki untuk soalan dalam division, there won't be remainder. It will transfer into cent. Okay, understand? Alright. How about this? Siapa nak jawab? What is the answer? Mind challenge. Semua dah blur tu. 5 what? 5 ringgit? 5 what?
5 cents. 5 cents.
5 cents.
5 ringgit.
I am 5 ringgit. 50 cent. 50 cent. 50 cent. 500 cent. How do you write this?
RM 5 cents.
RM 5 cent. RM 0 dot what? 50 cent. 0 dot 50 cent. That is how you write. Okay, akan macam ni. Kalau 50 cent, ingat 50 cent. 50 cent.
It's another.
Why? Who's crying? Kenapa nak crying pula? Kalau nak tukar jadi 0 ringgit 50 cent. This is how you write in money. Bukannya 5 ringgit. Bukan 50 cent, bukan 5 ringgit. 500 cent is 5 ringgit. Kalau 50 cent, this is how you write. You color. Cantik. Bukan susah. Ingat. Remember this. Sampai bila-bila kena ingat macam ni. 50 cent tu, cara tulis dia macam ni. This is how you write 50 cent. Okay. Enough with the example. Okay. This is your activity for today. Alright, dengar. Don't panic. Don't worry. Okay. Alright, listen. Based on the lesson that I teach you already, I taught you today. Listen. I taught you today. Apa nak cakap? This activity, you can do this right now. Or this is also will be taking for tomorrow activity. So if you want to do right now, you can do right now. In your textbook, cikgu tak pasti. Ada siapa-siapa ada textbook? Cikgu ada buku aktiviti dengan cikgu ni. What page ni? Can you refer this? Money. Topik money, what page?
13.
Okay.
Teacher, from A to I.
A to I. Yes, A to I. Why? Too much. It's not hard. Okay. So, you can do this by today. Okay, listen. Dengar, fokus. You can do this by today, or you can also this by tomorrow. You will submit this by tomorrow. So how do you submit this? I will put the link on the submission tomorrow. So you will take this as as tomorrow's lesson lah. Kalau tak nak buat hari ni, you can continue this tomorrow. However, you still have to do. Kalau kamu buat hari ni, selamatlah, esok kamu turn in je, submit je. Kalau tak buat hari ni, tomorrow you kena buat juga. So as long as you still
Cannot do now after this after class.
Yes, I know after this you have class, means petang sikit. Okay, so kalau tak sempat, you can do tomorrow. Okay, so all the questions need to be finished. Okay, you can refer this in your textbook on page 13. All the method, all the calculation you can refer on your textbook too. Okay. If you want to do today, you can do. If you want to do tomorrow, also you can do. So this is going to be your tomorrow's lesson, tomorrow activity. Okay. Thank you. Okay, before we finish, okay, okay, stop presenting.
Untuk Clement,
Okay. Siapa boleh join tu? Okay, 10.
Expired.
Alright, so we have 23 of us right now. Okay, Desmond. Okay ke Desmond? I think Desmond lah kot yang tak off microphone tu. Apalah, jelas lah. Okay, before we finish, okay, turn on your camera. I want to take photo. Nak kena buat bukti ni. Guru besar nak tengok. So I need to submit the class. Kena ada evidence lah. Kalau tak ada evidence nanti cikgu kena marah pula nanti. Mana bukti you teaching? Okay. You're teaching. So I need my student to turn on your microphone, your camera. Okay, I'm going to. Okay, buatlah post any post you want. Wait. Stop recording dulu. Okay.